Somebody got a knife? Listen, they say we take one nipple, one pinky.
You know, what if I go as well?
Okay, say do your thing. Okay.
But surely ain't.
How many do we have here? 1, 2. All right, say, let's go.
Let's go this way now.
Say, you boys,
Alright, you guys heard it? They're showing up.
let's go and see.
We get the fast car.
Where you at, Hoss?
Oh, thank you.
You tell
so
us.
Beautiful. No, you. It takes one to know one.
Need to surprise you?
This one.
Just,
I will take it. I will take it.
Or even share your GPS of the phone when you are there.
Let me smoke a little
Just tell
cigarette
them we're
right
here
here.
to repaint the inside of the ship.
You gonna drive me? I'm in the back.
Alright.
Boss.
Alright, we have a
Danny,
car.
where
We're
you?
going to head a bit north.
Now, what we could do is we could be the secondary one so they could be from the boat to us. Since we can't do the split off like we was fixed to do. Because we just got kind of high, just took off and went to the jewelry store.
We're cut that, huh?
We definitely got real high. That was my problem, man. I smoked a lot.
Put on a seatbelt.
Oh, that motherfucker on as soon as I got in the whip with you, boy. I had heard about your driving, boy. Your dad is home, but you ain't got your ears.
I am good. I've been driving a long time. He used to teach me a good thing, you know. We only messed up a couple of cars.
Okay, Dougie, boy. Okay, we gonna
Watch
see
this.
how
Hang
that
on.
is tonight.
Watch this. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Look at that little Yachty over there. That motherfucker nice, boy. We gonna get us one of them one day. Little Lost MC, little Yachty. Come on.
I dream someday, you know. I am just overwhelmed to be involved in this kind of work, you know.
Boy, I know what you've been doing before you fuck with us, but
What
I'll
do
tell
you
you right
think
now,
of
you
this?
fucking lost, you could be fam.
What do you think of this?
Shit. Well, that's sexy
One of
right
us
there.
each get one of these.
Yeah, that's sexy as
Might
fuck
get
right
off
there.
road, you know. I don't. More than one might not. Oh damn.
Oh, shit, real, so you killed her.
You know, damn. She
God
killed herself.
damn it,
I did not
Dougie,
do it. I did not do it, Uncle.
What'd you say, boy? This the one right here. This the one. Now, it could just be an extra distraction if we just come ride with these motherfuckers. And we in all white, we look just like them white boys.
Yeah, nah.
Cause right away they gonna look there and be like, all them white boys look the same. And I'm gonna be like, come on, someone's look a little different. Look at my hair.
I wonder,
So they
you
won't
know,
notice the hair.
we get into a circle, we just, everybody get out, we run around the circle real fast, and we get back into a different car and the way we go.
Oh, we talk about little musical chairs.
Just a little powwow, eh?
Okay. I like that.
I was hoping to see another vehicle like this one, huh?
Check on the beach. There might be Sunday cruising on the beach there.
Oh, sorry, man.
Ma'am. That's one thing you're gonna have to learn too, Dougie. We treat the ladies in more respect.
That is not what daddy told me.
I know Daddy probably a little confused.
Hang on.
They always say, "Oh shit, okay, that wasn't as good as I was expecting."
No, I thought all of a sudden there was a bit of a railing there. I did not see it the last minute. We can't go this way. It's a bad idea.
No, that's not a good move, Dougie. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. I didn't have it on at first. I thought we was gonna be okay. I'm seeing that I probably should have it on.
Even now, you should probably.
Yeah.
Alright, we have some of this.
Well, maybe we'll take a little jet ski since we meet them motherfuckers around.
Alright, we have some just see.
We got 4 jet skis.
Hey, what is your phone called?
Oh, hello. At the pier.
Okay, like the main pier or like a little pier?
Damn, the bitches can't even get it.
Like the one with the Ferris wheel?
Yeah, with the rides and shit, but like they put like extra locks on these motherfuckers.
Oh, and the jet skis?
Yo, the extra lock.
Coming?
Oh, there we go.
Did you just get on it?
You'll find the right spot, boy. Just get right on that bitch.
No.
Get on with me.
All right, drive away.
For us?
We are at the Ferris
You
wheel.
got bold. They act a little weird when you get to it. At the Ferris wheel.
We can't hold two. And then we've
Also
got
a doom
another.
bucket, too.
There's also a dump, okay?
Yeah.
So we over
Yeah, where
there.
are
You see
you?
the jumps. At the jumps, to say.
On the way.
Jandy, where you will?
I'm trying.
Alright, where you get right there, what we gonna do is gonna come around, meet you, and drop the voices off to you right there.
No, this boat fucked up.
Alright, negative.
Stay on your.
There's so many of them.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, oh, oh. But I'll take the buggy.
Dana, let me see if I can get on one of these.
Oh
ones
my
over
god.
We need something I can read on it.
What the fuck?
here. I see you, boy, right here. I got some. I got one right now.
What?
I can get one on my back.
Okay, I go.
I'm gonna yell it.
Fucking ground, motherfucker!
Distract. Get the other one in the buggy. Get the other one in the buggy. Buggy with Dougie. Buggy with Dougie.
Hey, hands up, hands up, hands up.
Hands up, motherfucker! Do not get in that car!
Don't. Just keep going. Keep going.
Do not get in that car!
Don't give it to the 5-0.
One in custody.
Swim, Wilma, swim.
I
I'm
don't know
gonna stay
what
with this guy.
I don't know what you're talking
Danny,
about.
get yourself a little son. Come pick the boys up over here.
All right, sir.
Got another boat. I'm coming.
Ferris wheel.
I'm coming. I can see it.
Wow.
All right, sir. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say.
The cop car.
Or sorry. Sir, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one will be provided to you by the state. Do you understand these rights I've just read to you?
I think so.
Where are you?
I
by
don't know what
water?
you're talking about.
I'm by your ramp.
Sir,
in the
you
water.
have the right to remain silent.
Coming,
Anything you
I'm
say
coming.
can and will be against you in the court of law.
No, but that
Because
way
I don't have
you
anything.
jumps and
Attorney, if
shit
you
there
cannot
with
afford
the
one,
monster
It's
in
okay.
the
one will be provided to you by the state. Do you understand these rights I've read to you?
That I heard you.
To your left.
Do you understand the
Straight
rights?
ahead.
I heard them. I heard the word that come out of your mouth.
Do you understand what
Well,
I
as
mean?
a Frenchman, you know, I'm kind of just a third. You know, English is not my first language.
I mean, I could try to read them in French. I'm not too good. I took
Where's
some
Dougie?
French.
Who would do that?
You dug it. Where they dug it?
Who would do that? I'm curious
I'm
what
more-
I am
I'm-
standing here for. You
I
know.
think to put his hands up like a bitch.
All right. Can I just put you in my car so you don't run away while I Google Translate it?
Julian made
I have
it
a
up.
good
No,
accent and all that.
No, I am good with
Shit,
that.
you gotta
I am
get
curious
Dougie.
why
Can't
you
let
have
that
me
boy get down
detained.
with this shit. He's with me. He ain't
You
even
robbed a
done.
jewelry store.
No, I did not. I was standing
know if you
beside
were-
the buggy
Okay, then you're getting
for
yeah,
standing
just
on the
get-
beach.
No,
What's
you're
the
obviously
move?
taking felonies.
Sure,
We gonna go a little bit more
you're in
north. We
the-
gonna
you're in
find
the
a
same
little side
getup
here. We
that
gonna
they
get
were.
into it.
I know what the
You're in the
coincidence.
exact-
I had no idea. They must have seen me
exact-
around
Wearing
town.
the same Adidas bag, white
Yeah.
sweatshirt.
They must have
green
seen me
vest.
coming around town. I was just
Yeah,
sitting
yeah.
here at the beach. I am very sensitive to light.
If you would like to fight in court, I would love to see it, man. But you're gonna get slapped
Oh.
with that book, all right?
All right, I already read him his
Break
rights.
that
He didn't.
down.
I read him it twice,
We
and he
might
said he
hate.
didn't understand. He's saying.
No, I
he's
never
not
said
saying
I
he
About it or
understand.
anything if you can
I'm
hear
just
us.
curious
I already
why
read
you
it to
have
him
me here.
twice, so
I was standing
if you read it
beside
to him
my
twice, it
little.
doesn't matter.
Get down with the
Alright,
kids down.
alright.
Worst case condition, you plead down with the charge, boy. You get a couple of months.
Mm.
All
Make
right,
these
sir.
little
I'm
boys
just gonna
fight
place
for
you
you.
in the
Interesting.
back of my
Interesting.
nice
You take-
car. Please.
All
don't
those
put me in
guys
the back
just
of my
ran
car.
right by me, and nobody went
Well,
for
it's
them.
somebody to kill every cop there. What
We
are we
went.
doing?
We
Interesting.
did go for them. They were already in a
Interesting.
fucking boat. You were